You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this expression from French? It's an expression of dissatisfaction, just like you say dang it or heck or sh, the sh word in English. You know, you'd be like, oh, sh, I've lost my keys, for example. Anyhow, you say it as zut. Zut. It's essentially like it's spelled the Z sound, U, which is French for the letter U, and then the T is pronounced zut. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.